Now we are seeing fractions, and first we will see idea of fractions. So let's say I have a square or a shape. I divided that into four equal parts, 1 2 3 4, and out of 4 I'm going to select or to take away one part. So I have selected a one part out of 4, that is, let's say, this part. So what I have done here is a whole shape, in this case a square, is divided into four equal parts, and out of that selected one part. So how do you represent this in terms of numbers or mathematically? So here comes the fractions. So we can represent this in the form of fraction. Let's say 4, that is the whole part, and you have, that is maximum parts of a shape, 4 parts, and out of that you have selected one part, that is 1 by 4. This is the fraction representation. This is the fraction. It's a form of representation of this type of uh, division, or you can say the grouping. So what you can say in other terms also, I have selected a fraction out of the whole shape, that is, selected a fraction out of the this whole shape. This is selection. Also we can uh, term 1 by 4, in case we are just seeing 1 by 4 right now. We can think of like 1 out of 4 parts equal parts, or a whole shape divided by 4 gives you 1. So this 1 by 4 can be seen in these terms also. 1 out of 4 equal parts, or a whole shape divided by 4 gives you 1. So we can see this 1 by 4 in these two forms also. So let's represent one more fraction. Let's represent 1 by 8. So let's say you have given this shape, rectangular shape. Now you have to take one part out of 8 equal parts. So first we need to do 8 equal parts of this shape. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now we have to select. So these are 8 equal parts. Now we have to select one out of that. So just say I have selected this one. So this becomes 1. But how you represent 1? From what one? From which one, or from which set? So out of 8 equal parts I have selected 1. That is the representation of this grouping in terms of fractions, 1 by 8. So now we will take one more example. Let's take a different shape. Here I have taken a triangle divided into these parts and selected this one. Okay, so will it, so I can say 1 by 4. I had divided 1 2 3 4, 4 out of 1. Yes, is it a fraction? No. Why not? Because to represent 4 out of 1 we need equal parts. That's the most important, equal parts. And if equal parts are there, we say that we have selected 1 out of 4 equal parts, and in this case parts are not equal in shape. So this is not considered as a representation in form of fraction, because we need equal shape, equal parts. So this is not fraction in this case. Thank you.